Hey, everyone. I know it has been ages since I last uploaded a video on YouTube. And the reason for that is I got stabbed on 20. When was it? It was actually the 14th of April 2021. I got stabbed closed on the chest. It was actually next to my heart. I almost died, you guys, and I stayed in hospital for a pretty long time. But now that I'm back, you guys, I'm hoping we can continue. Oh, by the way, I got marked, so they took my cell phone. Yeah, you guys, I don't want you to feel sorry for me. No worries, you guys. I am 100% now, okay? Now, let's get back to work. Okay. Again, this is the first exercise on multi-dimensional arrays. But I want you guys to know one thing about them, and that is, you see, multi-dimensional arrays is actually one of those things that people tend to find difficult. But if you ask me, I would say that they actually say it's difficult, but from a point of view, it is one of those things that that is easier than we give it credit for. Okay, people, they always say multi-dimensional are hard concepts. Honestly, I don't think that is the case. Okay, enough talking. Let's jump on to the problem on hand. Okay, and it is on 328, the first exercise. Okay, you guys, we're doing multi-dimensional arrays. So we got some elements row by row. Okay, so we gotta write a program that returns the sum of all elements in a specified column in a matrix using the following header. You know what? Let me zoom in even more. I know some people there, they got eyesight problems. Okay, so this is the question. I'm hoping it's clear to everyone. So it continues on this page. You've got to write a test program that reads a 3x4 matrix and displays the sum of each column, as you guys can see on the demonstration, on the sample run. Okay, so here's what I did. I already went ahead and created this class here. It only contains two methods, and the first one is the main method. The second one is the one that they asked us to have right here at the bottom. Okay, hoping people can see. Okay, so let's take care of this first. You know what, let me just start by the main part, which is this one here. I returned one for the sake of avoiding a compile error, you guys. I'm gonna get rid of it in a moment. Okay, so we gotta, okay, if you noticed here, we were specifically told that our test program should read a 3x4 matrix. So here's what I'll do. I'll have an outer loop which will go row by row by I, or maybe row. So is row less than what? Is a row less than, it's a 3x4. So go is a row less than 3. If there is the case, I'll go Girls, all they ever do is talk about guys. I just heard high school girls passing by. All they ever do is talking about guys. Anyways, you guys, let me continue. I'm being distracted now. Okay, so how many columns do you want? 4. Okay, so it's gonna be column plus plus. So here's what I wanna do. I wanna start by having a variable called sum. Okay, I'll simply go sum. Oh, let me. Damn. Seems like we also need to specify a column there. Oh, in that case, we won't need the outer loop. Damn. Row. Okay, so here's what I want to do. I want to simply go matrix, not matrix, row, column index. Okay, what I'll then do is to return sum. But there are cases that we need to think about, you guys. What if a user passes an invalid column index? We need to be able to detect that. Okay, so what we probably wanna do is to validate the column index variable. Okay, as long as it's less than 4 and column index is greater than -1. Luckily for us, we won't be reading the column index argument from a user. Okay, we'll let me do that. Let me do that. Return what? Sum. Okay. However, if that is not the case, we need to just say we need to return something that will help us determine whether or not the past column index was correct. Let's just return not a number. Think of this as infinite. Okay. Yeah, you guys. What else do I want to do? Now that I'm done with that method, I need to deal with my main method. In fact, I could simply stop this video right here because we're done working with a 2D matrix array, but for the sake of being certain, I'm gonna have to write the main method part as well. column plus plus. Now, what do I think? I've already created this matrix. Damn, I haven't. Wait. Okay, now what do I want to do is to go matrix add row column. Next double. Okay, now that I've created a matrix, I want to display it now. Display. In fact, I want to display the results. The same way they did here. Okay. So I'll simply go column index is equals to 0. Column index, is it less than 4? Then I increment it. Okay, I'll simply then use a printf statement. Okay, I'll go. Sum of the elements. It's column. %d is %1.1f. Then I go to the next line. I'll pass my matrix first, and then I will pass I'll pass column index first, and then I'll pass the method we created here. I'll invoke the method we created. We're not passing method, we're invoking them in Java. Okay, so it's gonna be matrix and then column index over there. Are we good? Yes, we are, definitely. Okay, I think that should do it for this tutorial, you guys. Let me just hit the run button and see what do we get. Again, people are yelling each other as they pass by. I'm afraid I cannot go back to my room. Why? I find myself not doing as much as I can if I'm indoors. I found myself falling asleep out of the blue. Okay, now why this thing is not asking us? Hola. Oh, I forgot telling the user. It's already running. The thing is, I forgot prompting the user to enter. I forgot prompting the user to enter a tree by 4 matrix row by row. Now what? Let's use a print line. Let's use a print line as opposed to a print. Okay. Now let's rerun this. Now what? I wanna put the exact numbers they put here. Copy. It better work. Array index out of bound. Yes. Where? It's 3 columns and what? And 4 rows. One sec, you guys. Really? I cannot believe I did that. You see, we've got 4 rows. 3 rows, not 4. So we gotta start from 0 to 3. And that is absolutely the reason why I got an error there. Now let's rerun this. Hopefully for the last time it's going to work. 16.5, 9.0, 13.0 and 13.0. Okay. It doesn't make any difference. You see, whether we put it in one line or we put it row by row, we will still get one and the same answer. I'm hoping people do know that. Now let's put random numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, maybe 4, then 3. So sum of the elements at column 0 is what? Is 15. Yes. Column 1 is 20. Column 2 is 14. Then lastly column 3 is 15. Okay, so that should do it for this tutorial, you guys. I will see you on the next one. Cheers. I'm gone. Okay. Oh, maybe another thing that is worth mentioning here. We could make this method work for not only for a 3x2 matrix, but also for other matrices as well. Okay, in that case, we'd have to go. You'd have to go. Okay, again, let me hit the run button so that, guys, you can see. Oh, damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Undo. Okay, you guys. I made a mistake. I don't know. For a slightest moment, I thought this if right here. You see, if we had, God, you know what? Let me just wrap it up, you guys. See you on the next tutorial. The reason why I feel like explaining this part. The reason why I got this error here, I made a mistake. You see, m, by doing this dot length, this number right here is actually the number of elements in the first row, and there is 4, and we know that row has to range from 0 up to 3, so that's why we had that error there. You see, sometimes I find myself wanting to explain things that would cause even more confusion, so I am so sorry for that. In this case, you guys, this won't work. Not unless we do that and then go -1, then definitely it is gonna work. You know what, let's just do that. 1 2 3 20, so 4, another 4 numbers. You see, you guys, we can pause this and then do the counting. Okay, that's gonna be it, you guys, for this tutorial. I don't know why I created such a lame video. Cheers, you guys. I'm